Let's learn the stop shot.
I saw Snooker on the TV and that was the end of it.
So welcome back to the bite-sized snooker shots, and today we're looking at the stop shot. What is a stop shot? It's when the cue ball stops dead still after making contact with the object ball. Ideal if you've got a straight shot and you're on the black. So how is it we create the stop shot? The first thing we need is a dead straight shot. If it isn't dead straight, the cue ball won't stop, it'll go left or right. The second thing to play the stop shot is a nice, long, smooth delivery. The third thing is it depends on the distance the cue ball is from the object ball. It's height and pace on the cue ball over the distance on the table. A stop shot could be played nice and soft, but a stop shot could also be played quite firmly. Can I jump in here? What we're looking for is people to come along and join us here at the Snooker Shed, doing the outro. I'll see you on the table. And I'll see you on the table. If you'd like to have a go, we'd love to have you. What to do is leave a wee comment down below or join the Facebook group and leave a comment in there. What would be even better if you can do it in your native language. Hope to see you soon on the channel. So when you watch a stop shot in slow motion, what you can see is that the cue ball actually doesn't have any forward or reverse rotation as it's moving across the cloth. That's what makes it stop dead still. So what I've done here is to set up a nice wee practice routine to get better at the stop shot. Cue ball with a marked spot on the table, red and a dead straight line to the pocket, with again a marked spot on the table. What I'll practice is I'll practice hitting this really low and really soft. If the cue ball comes back a little bit because I've added that wee bit too much screw, then what I'm going to do is keep the same pace, but I'm going to raise the tip just a touch, play the shot again. And I'll keep practicing with those parameters until that cue ball stops dead. So what is it we've learned today then? So, looked at the stop shot. Things we need to do to make that happen. 1, a nice straight shot. 2, explore between the height and the pace that you hit the cue ball. And 3, stay down on the shot so you can enjoy it when it works. So once again, if you've got to this stage in the video, thank you very much for watching all the way through. And thank you very much for all the recent subscribers that's joined us here at the Snooker Shed. If you like what we're doing, go down there and let us know. Hit that like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, and there's more to come, hit the subscribe button and hit that wee bell so that you never miss the next video that's coming out.
Hi, I'm Gary and I'm from Devon, and I'll see you on the table.
Join the Facebook group. And distance on the cue ball. Distance on the cue ball. So have... I can't see that. The balls, sorry.